Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter Siri and search. Now enable listen for Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Tap done, and now make sure that Allow Siri when locked function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Roll yourself in wrapping paper and then tape it closed. That's how you live in the present. When that librarian bumped her head, she had no one to blame but herself.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.